Get your $25 right now. We have easy money for you again, and you can get it safely now. Our friends at Swissmoney have prepared a $25 gift exclusively for our community members. Swissmoney is an innovative banking solution from Switzerland, which harmoniously intertwines the crypto space with traditional money. More precisely, with the application from Swissmoney, you have instant access in the same place to both your fiat money and your favorite cryptocurrencies. Swissmoney offers you separate IBANs for the most important fiat currencies, respectively euros, dollars, Swiss francs, or pounds sterling. In the same application, you can also manage your favorite cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and altcoins. It's okay to keep your money on exchanges as long as you have to transact with them, and it's not a lot of money. But when my crypto earnings start to be consistent enough, I always withdraw a part of them to Swissmoney. You know the risks of keeping money on exchanges. What do you have to do to get this $25? 4 very simple steps. The first step is to create a Swissmoney account using the link in the video description or in the first comment of this video. Once you've opened the account and done a KYC, which takes extremely little time, you must deposit at least 50 USDT in the Swissmoney account. Step 3 is to spend a minimum of $25 from your account, as you wish, to see for yourself how simple it is. The last step, the Swissmoney team will do for you. Namely, they will send you 25 USDT to your account. Remember, this offer is valid exclusively for accounts created through our referral link. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because a lot of other advantageous offers for the community are coming, and I'm sure you won't want to miss them. If you want to reward us for our work, you can do so by pressing the like button, writing a comment, and even sharing this video with your friends. Until next time, take care of your money.